Thank you for the opportunity that given to me by the community of the International Conference on Mathematics and Science Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, to present our research with title Ethnomathematics, Numerical Literacy in the Dawan Language System, Dialects of the Amanuban Tribe and its Relation to Mathematics Learning. The first author is me. My name is Fardita Daniel. I am doctoral student in Mathematics Study Program, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. And the second author is Mr. Didi Suryadi. And the third author is Mr. Sufiani Prabhawanto. The second author and the third author are lecturer in Department Mathematics Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. The introduction of this research starts from the definition of mathematics is knowledge from a culture that grows and develops to connect human needs. One of knowledge that students must have when they learning mathematics is numerical literacy. Numerical literacy is knowledge and skill to use various numbers and symbols related to basic mathematics to solve practical problems in various contexts of everyday life and analyze information presented in various forms like graph, table, charts, etc. Then use the interpretation of the result of the analysis to predict and make decisions. Based on literature studies and my observation of Dawan language system dialects of the Amanuban tribes in my regency, the people of the Amanuban tribe use the base 10 number system to count the next number and mention the name of the day. From this observation, the question is there numerical literacy in the Dawan language system? For answer the question, use ethnomathematics perspective. We know that ethnomathematics as a pathway for mathematics education research has a role in studying mathematical ideas from cultural roots given by an ethnic, social, and professional group. You can see in this slide. In the mention of numbers days in the Dawan language, the Amanuban dialect, people use the unit number system, namely Mese, Nua, Tinu, Ha, Nima, Ne, Hitu, Fanu, and Sio. This research aims to describe numerical literacy in the Dawan language system, the dialect of the Amanuban tribe, South Central Timor Regency in terms of ethnomathematics perspective and its relation to mathematics learning. We go through the method of this research. This type of research was qualitative research with ethnographic methods. We collecting the data, use observation, interviews, and literature studies. This research design refers to the ethnographic study designed by Alangui, which is based on 4 basic questions. First, where is Chuluk? 2, how is Chuluk? 3, what is it? And 4, what does it mean? The analysis in this study includes 4 main things. 1, data collection. 2, data reduction. 3, the presentation of the data. And 4, concluding. Okay, we go to the next slide. This is the result of this research. The Dawan language in the Amanuban dialect has 10 base numbers, which are used to calculate the next number as shown in table 1. You can see in this slide, table 1. Numerical literacy in the Dawan language The Amanuban dialect is presented in Table 2, Bo Mese Amese or 11. Numerical literacy is 10 cross 1 plus 1. Number 29. The dawan language of 29 is Bo Nua Amsio. The numerical literacy is 10 cross 2 plus 9. We to the next slide. This is Table 3. Numerical literacy in numbers 40 and beyond. Amanuban people have numerical abilities in pronouncing numbers, which is then also used in the mention of the name of the day, as in Table 4. You can see Table 4. In noun language is neon mese, neon nua, neon tenu, neon ha, neon nima, neon ne, neon hitu, or neon clay, which word neon means day and word mese means one. Or based on Table 4, it can also be seen that the Amanuban tribe calls the names of the days according to the order in the unit number system. As for Monday, it is called the first day because according to the Christian belief of the Amanuban people, that the first day of the creation story of the universe is Monday to Sunday, as the seventh day or the day of rest, which is also called the day for Christ. Describe of numerical literacy and its relation to mathematics learning we can see in this slide. Students who are fluent in the dawan language will find it easier to understand the concept of numbers when learning it in a language that is mastered and used daily. Students will be able to count and understand the sequence of the smallest to largest number. The concept of the place value of a number in a certain number according to the level of both units, tens, hundreds, thousand, and so on can also be taught using the dawan language. For example, 375 in dawan language is Natun Tenu, means 300. Bohitu means 70. Nima means 5. So the place value of a number, 100 of place is 3, tens place is 7, and unit place is 5. The concept of addition and multiplication can also be taught using the dawan language as presented in Table 2 and Table 3. The numerical literacy in the dawan language system of the Amanuban tribe so that the concept of mathematics cannot be separated from people's life. In other words, the ethnomathematics power generated in this study challenges the assumption that mathematics is only produced by mathematicians. This is the conclusion of this research. The numerical literacy in the dawan language system, the Amanuban dialect used by the community when using the number system is very unique. The uniqueness is that the community uses the base 10 number system with the unit base number 0 to 9 and the tens base number 10, which is used to calculate the next number using the concept of multiplication and addition. The mention of the name of the day in the dawan language of the Amanuban dialect is also based on the unit base number system. This uniqueness can be used as a reference In mathematics learning with numbers, especially the concept of number sequence, the place value of a number, and addition and multiplication operation on integers for low-grade students who are fluent in dawan. That's all. Thanks for the opportunity and attention. Thank you very much.